and today we are going to class second class mathematics third chapter addition. Third chapter name what? Addition. Addition means nothing but here add means any numbers count to any numbers add that two or three or more numbers count the digits numbers. So here add means symbol is plus only. Add means symbol plus. So here addition nothing but to add any numbers. Add any number. This is called addition. So here listen careful, amma children. This is the third chapter name addition. Here total how many apples is there? We don't know. So first you count a single number. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Total how many apples is there? 3 apples. Number of apples is equal to 3. Number of apples is equal to 3. So next number of oranges. This total oranges is there. So how many oranges is there? We don't know. So now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of oranges is equal to 5 oranges. Next here bananas is there. So number of bananas here how many is there? We don't know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of bananas is equal to here total 5 bananas is there. So next total number of fruits. Now total number of fruits means 1 plus 2 plus 3. Here 3 apples. 3 apples. Plus here symbol plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of oranges is equal to 5. 5 oranges. 5 oranges plus here total bananas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total bananas 5 only. 5 bananas. So total here what asking? Total number of fruits. Therefore total number of fruits. So total number of fruits here 3 apples plus 5 oranges plus 5 bananas. 5 bananas. So total 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus 5 13. Therefore total number of fruits is equal 13. So finally here 3 apples plus 5 oranges plus 5 bananas. So is equal total number of fruits is equal to 13. So here we are doing 3 apples, oranges, bananas. Here symbol plus. Plus nothing but addition. All fruits here add. Add means nothing but addition. Next we are going to here see one time. We know that addition means putting together. To use a plus, this symbol name what? Plus symbol to denote addition. To denote addition. In a garden there are 3 coconut trees and 5 papaya trees. How many trees are there altogether? Again I am reading. In a garden there are 3 coconut trees and 5 papaya trees. How many trees are there altogether? Here 1, 2, 3. 3 coconut trees is there. So coconut trees how many children? Coconut trees is equal to 3. And remaining papaya trees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 papaya trees. Papaya trees is equal to 5. So in garden total trees how many? Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in garden total 8 trees is there. So total 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 trees. Therefore in garden total trees is equal 8 trees. So here we have coconut trees and papaya trees. Both trees here we are doing plus symbol. Plus means nothing but addition. Both trees here only we are adding. So we are going to exercise 3.1. Some problems is there. So look at the board, all of you. Add and write the correct number of figures in the boxes. One has been done for you. So here example is there, amma. 1 flower, 2 flowers, 3 flowers. Total here 3 flowers. Plus nothing but addition. 1 flower, 2 flower. Here 3 flowers, here 2 flowers. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is equal. Total how many flowers is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 flowers is equal total 5 flowers. So addition doing means here 5 is came. Now next, see amma, look at the book, all of you. Here B bit 1 bat, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total bats 5 only. Total bats here how many name? 5. Second bit here total bats. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bats is there. Plus here remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. Here again 4 bats is there. Total in box, total how many bats is there? Now count this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Now 5 plus 4. Now total bats count this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in the box total bats it is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So therefore 9 bats. Now we are going to see bit. These are triangles. These are triangles. So here 3 triangles is there. 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles. 3 triangles. Plus here also 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. Plus 3 triangles. So we are 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total triangles is equal to 6 triangles. 6 triangles. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Therefore final your answer is 6 triangles. Now here see one time. 1 ball, 2 balls, 3 balls, 4 balls, 5 balls, 6 balls. In box 6 balls. 6 balls. Plus 1 ball, 2 ball, 3 balls, 4 balls. Here 4 balls is there. So 4 balls. Therefore 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 now total once again here count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many balls children? 10 balls. Total balls is equal to 10. Okay children, tomorrow we are going to add the following numbers. Tomorrow I am telling this chapter. Thank you children.